Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to show notification on Android lock screen. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, you can open your settings application on your Android phone, and after you have your settings application opened, you can go to the notification setting. Click on this option, and here, since we want to show notification on Android lock screen, we can click on lock screen notification. So we're going to activate this lock screen notification to get a notification on our Android lock screen. So we just need to click on the toggle button to activate it. Alright, and now this lock screen notification has been activated. And if you want to get the details of the notification, you can activate this one, show content when unlocked. You just need to click on the toggle button if you want to activate it. And here, the show content when unlocked has been activated. And after you activate lock screen notification, you will get the notification without unlocking your phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can show notification on Android lock screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.